हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम पीएच ऑफ मिक्सचर कैलकुलेट कैसे करते हैं वो हम शॉर्ट ट्रिक के ज़रिए देखेंगे। माई सेल्फ शेख मुजीब। अक्सर हमें कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में सवाल पूछा जाता है। Often we see the following types of the questions in the competitive exams. Consider a mixture formed by the mixing equal volume of two solutions with the pH values x and y. What will be pH of mixture? अब ऐसे सवाल आने के बाद हमें काफ़ी समय लगता है कैलकुलेट करने के लिए, लेकिन हम कुछ ट्रिक्स के ज़रिए आसानी से हम उसको देख सकते हैं, उसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। नाउ सी द ट्रिक टू गेट द आंसर क्विकली। First of all, we know that about the acid or acidic or basic solution. What is the acidic basic solution? What is basic solutions? So I am here represent some relation between the pH and the nature of the solutions. आपको यहाँ पर तीन कंडीशंस दिखाई देते होंगे। पहली कंडीशंस है इफ द pH इज लेस देन 7। अगर किसी सॉल्यूशंस का या मिक्सचर का pH 7 से कम होगा, दैट मीन्स एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन। इफ, अब सेकंड कंडीशन में हम देखेंगे इफ pH इज ग्रेटर देन द 7। अगर किसी सॉल्यूशन का pH 7 से ज़्यादा होगा, द सॉल्यूशन बिकम द बेसिक सॉल्यूशन। एंड थर्ड कंडीशन, इफ द pH इज इक्वल टू 7, the solution is neutral solution. Now also we see the three types of conditions or three cases we are observed. First one case is the acid plus acid. If two solutions are acidic, means pH is less than 7 फॉर बोथ द सॉल्यूशंस। अगर किसी सॉल्यूशन का वॉल्यूम इक्वल हो और उसका pH 7 से कम हो, तो उसके लिए हमें ट्रिक अप्लाई करना है। pH ऑफ द सॉल्यूशंस वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग। वी आर सेलेक्टेड द लोअर pH वैल्यू ऑफ वन सॉल्यूशन प्लस 0.3. It means that add 0.3 to the lower pH value. जो solutions है, solutions के अंदर जिस solution का pH कम हो उसमें 0.3 यह वैल्यू अगर हम ऐड कर देंगे तो वो वैल्यू pH of solution होगी। Let us we see the example. Here we see the examples. Solution 1 having the pH 3 and solution second having the pH value is a 5. It means that both are the values are the less than 7. So both solutions are acidic. Now we are seeing how to calculate it. Here we see that the pH of mixture we are calculating. First of all, according to our tricks, the lower value of the pH is a 3 and we are adding the value is a 0.3 value. So 3.3 is the pH of mixture solution. It's a first case. Now we are seeing the second case. Base plus base. If two solutions are basic, it means that the pH is greater than the 7 for both the solutions. अगर किसी solutions में दोनों भी solutions की वैल्यू pH वैल्यू अगर 7 से ज़्यादा है तो हम क्या करेंगे? उसके लिए हमारी ट्रिक है द हायर pH वैल्यू -0.3. It means that subtract 0.3 to the higher pH value. Example: trick valid for the equal volume of the solutions. Remember, solution first, they are having the pH is equal to 10, and the solution second, pH is equal to 12. Both the solutions are having the pH value is greater than 7, so both are basic in nature. Now we are calculating the pH of the mixture. The formula is, or trick is, the pH of mixture is equal to the higher pH value minus 0.3. Now we can see that the solution second pH value is 12. Therefore, the higher value pH value is 12 minus 0.3, and where answer we get the 11.7, the pH of the mixture solutions. Now we can see the third case, acid plus base. If one is acidic and other is basic. Here also we see that the three conditions. If the pH of acid plus pH of base equal to 14, the pH mixture is equal to neutral solution. Second condition, pH of acid plus pH of base is less than 14, pH mixture near about equal to acidic. Then also third conditions, pH of acid plus pH of base is greater than 14, the pH of mixture is near about basic nature. Example 1. Solution first contains, we are representing either pH 1 and pH 2 for the second solution. Solution 1, pH 1 is equal to 5, and the solution 2, pH 2 equal to 9. pH 1 is equal to 5 means acidic solution, and pH 2 equal to 9 means basic. Now pH 1 plus pH 2 is equal to 14. We can add it, 5 plus 9, we get the value is a 14. So pH of mixture is 7. Now second example, solution first, pH 1 is equal to 3, and solution second, pH 2 equal to 9. pH 1 is equal to 3 means acidic, and pH 2 is equal to 9 means basic. When these values are adding, 3 plus 9, we get the value is a 12, means less than 14 value we are obtains. According to our case, pH of value is a less than the 14, the pH of mixture is acidic in nature, and the pH is near about 3. Example third, solution first, pH 1 is equal to 5, acidic solution, and solution second, pH 2 is equal to 10, basic solution. But both are equal in volume. When we are added it, we give the value pH 1 and pH 2 values are equal to 15. 10 plus 5, 15. The value is more than 14. So pH of mixture is near about in a basic in nature, and value is near about equal to 10. That's the trick. Thank you for watching. If you like it, then give the like and subscribe my channel to give you more another types of the simple short tricks about the chemistry.